Good morning, students. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School digital class. Students, our today's subject is English 2. Lesson number 18 from page number 37 and 38 of Learner's English Grammar book. And students, our today's topic is comparison of adjectives. Students, we have already learned about the nouns, the name of persons, animals, things, places are called as nouns, right? And to say something more about nouns, we use describing words, that is, adjectives. This also we have learned in our previous video. We studied about the words which tell us size, shape, taste, color, touch, feelings, and number of the given noun. Now, in this lesson today, first we will revise the adjectives and the nouns. This is the picture of a girl. She is a girl, but how she is? She is naughty. So here, girl is noun and naughty is an adjective, that is describing word for this noun. One more example. This is an elephant. Elephant is huge in size. So elephant is the noun and huge is describing for word for this noun. It describes size of the animal. Pencil. You can see pencil in the picture. Which is the color of pencil? Yes, color of the pencil is yellow. So here, pencil is a noun and yellow is an adjective, or we can say it is a describing word for this noun. You can see a playground here. How the playground is? You can see the playground is new. It is very nice. So, playground is the noun and new is the describing word, or can say adjective. So now students, we have revised here about the nouns and adjectives. Now we will learn some more things about the adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison. We use comparative words, that is different kind of words in different sentences for as an adjectives. So first we will learn 3 degrees of adjectives. The first one is positive degree. This form of adjective is used when we speak of a single individual or an object. For example, this is a big ball. For this ball, you can say this is a big ball. Here, the word big is describing for noun ball. Second type of adjective, it is comparative degree. This kind of adjective is used when we compare two individuals or objects. For example, this ball is bigger than that ball. Means if you have two balls, how you can compare and how you can speak about those two balls? Then you can say this ball is bigger than that ball. So here we are doing comparison of given two things by using the word bigger. So big and bigger are the two different forms of adjectives which we use in different sentences. And one more degree, or say one more type of adjective, is superlative degree. This form of adjective, when we use, let's read students, this is used when we compare a single individual or object with many other individuals or objects. For example, there are more than two balls. We have shown 3 balls here. So this is a biggest ball. This is the biggest ball I have ever seen, because we can see it like this because here 3 balls are given in which this is the most big ball in among these 3 balls. So we can use the word biggest as an adjective to describe this ball in comparison with these 2 balls. So here we have used three different form of the word big, that is big, bigger and biggest in three different type of sentences as an adjective. Students, we will learn with some more examples here. This is the comparison between hair of these two girls. She is having long hair. She is also having long hair. How we will say that her hair is longer? We will use word longer. So here we are using comparative degree, that is her hair are longer than hers. And one more girl, if it is there, we will use the word longest. So again we are using three forms of the describing word long for this noun girl, that long, longer and longest. Here is the noun and long, longer and longest. These are the three different degrees for which we are using adjectives. In this picture, comparison of these two is given, and here superlative degree is also used. So we have to use three different words for this two different kind of comparisons. Here we will use long hair, which we are saying about this one girl only. When we have to say about these two, we have to compare, then we will use the word longer for noun hair. And again we are comparing for more than two, that is among these three girls, then we will use the word longest to describe noun hair. Here you can see three pictures of a Christmas tree. There are three different sizes of this Christmas tree. So how we can describe, how we can say is tall, taller and tallest. You can say this tree is taller than this, and this tree is tallest in all these three Christmas trees. Here we can explain with the example making a sentence. We will read as this boy is named as Sam. Her name is Nikki and his name is Ricky. So how we will say Sam's tree is tall. This is the first degree, that is positive degree. To describe the noun tree, we have used tall. Okay. And now her tree, you can see, is taller than Sam's tree. So we will write as Nikki's tree is taller than Sam's tree. So here we have used the describing word, or we can say adjective, for the noun tree is taller, because this is taller than this tree. Now if we compare all these three trees together, what we have to say about Ricky's tree? We should write Ricky's tree is the tallest of the three trees. You can see in the picture, this is the tallest one. So for this tree, we have used describing word or adjective is tallest. So tall, taller and tallest. See, here are two boys shown in the picture. Okay, and Alice is smarter than Joy. You can see, right? Smarter is also an adjective for Alice, and if it is comparing Alice with Joy, we have to use smarter. If the one boy is shown, we can say is smart boy. We have to compare among these two, then we should say one boy is smarter than the other boy. Now if it is comparison within the whole of the class, means number of students in a class, then what we should say? We should say Alice is the smartest boy in the class. See, you can see so many students in a class, and if Alice is smart enough among all these students, we will use the word smartest to describe this noun boy. Now students, we will go through some more examples of describing words, that is adjectives, in all the three forms Here you can see happy faces. Happy, happier, the happiest. You can see this face most happy compared to all these two. Good, better, the best. Useful, more useful, the most useful. We are going through all these examples which are describing words for the given picture, that is given noun, and these we are using or we are reading in all the three forms, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. We will read again. Listen carefully, children. Happy, happier, the happiest. Good, better, the best. Useful, more useful, the most useful. Yes, laptop is more useful or most useful than the phone. Young, younger, the youngest. This is young is also a describing word for small boys, kids. But here you can see age of all the three boys is different. So how we can describe? Young, younger, the youngest. This is the fruit. This is also a fruit, but this is the cake. So how we will describe? Sweet, sweeter, the sweetest. You know, children, cake is more sweet than fruits, right? So we have written like sweet, sweeter, and the sweetest. Here also three pictures are given. How we can describe or which kind of adjectives we can use? Hot, hotter, the hottest. So positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree of an adjective is used to describe these noun words. See, three boys are here and they have luggage or they have weight different to each other. How we can describe? Heavy, heavier and heaviest. You can see this bag is too big compared to these two bags. So its weight is also more than these two. So how we have compared? Heavy, heavier and heaviest. This is the most bigger bag and having higher weight than these two bags. See, these girls are shouting. How they are shouting? She is shouting loud. She is shouting in bigger voice than hers. So we can say she is shouting louder. She has speaker. So her voice will come higher than these two. So we will say that she is shouting loudest. So again these three degrees we have used to describe voice of these girls like loud, louder and loudest. Here are some examples for you students. Just see these pictures carefully and then we will read about them. Cold, colder and coldest. Ice cream, cold. Ice, colder. And pigs covered with ice are coldest. So again, to describe these nouns, that is ice cream, ice and pig, we are using the words that is describing words, or we can say adjectives, that is cold, colder and coldest. You can see these animals. You know how they walk. Their speed is less to each other. This is slow in walking. This is slower and this is slowest. Here are some animals. Pig. And these are different in size. This is big, this is bigger and elephant is biggest. You can see also in the picture. This animal is biggest in comparison with these two. And this one is big. But compared to this, it is a small animal. But we are using big, bigger and biggest because these two are bigger and biggest compared to this animal. You can see some pictures here. A scale is long, but the rope is longer than this scale. And one more bigger scale, so it is longer to this two. Small, smaller and smallest. These are some pictures that you can see. This is a small animal this is smaller than this, and this is smallest. So again we have used three different degrees to describe these picture nouns. Now here is the list, or you can say box, of given positive, comparative and superlative words from your grammar book. We will read in sequence. So you have to hear carefully and then you have to repeat at your own after watching the video. See, these are some adjectives we have already learned with the pictures. Now here we will repeat, we will revise and we will learn these forms of adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Let's read this box. Good, better, best. These are the three forms of one word, that is good. Good, better, best. Big, bigger, biggest. Short, shorter, shortest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Happy, happier, happiest. Low, lower, lowest. These forms you are using some in different sentences for different describing of nouns. Bad, worse, worst. Careful, more careful, most careful. Helpful, more helpful, most helpful. Many, more and most. In some words, there are different words for different degrees. That means many, more and most. If you have to say in positive degree, you should use the word many. If you want to compare two objects, you should use the word more, that is adjective. And for more than two or for many, you should use most. This we have seen in last some slides, right? And now some more examples. Late, later, latest. Small, smaller, smallest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Active, more active, most active. Up, upper and uppermost. Students, you also have to read all these examples of positive, comparative and superlative adjectives, and then you have to write in your notebook also. That means you have to learn, read and you have to write also. These are some exercises given in your notebook. We will solve it here and we will discuss here for you. What is the exercise? Fill in the correct degree of comparison in each blank with the help of the given clue. You can see for each fill in the blank, the word is given in the bracket. But you have to use its proper degree of comparison to complete these sentences. So we will read how we have solved. Salim is dash than Rahim. So here comparison between two. So what should we use is taller. Tall, taller. Gita is the dash girl in our class. So here it is comparison among the many students in the class. So we should use clever in the form of cleverest. This is the describing word, that is adjective. But the form of this adjective will come is cleverest. Her dress is dash than mine. So again here is comparison between two only. So for beautiful we will use more beautiful. A crane has dash legs. The word is given for describing is thinner. But this is the positive degree, only written about one crane. So we have to use its form of positive degree, that is thin. May is the dash month of the year. So this is the superlative degree because it is the most hot among all the 12 months. So for this word hot, we should use its superlative degree, that is hottest. An ant is smaller than a bee. Here again comparison between two. So we will use comparative form of describing word adjective small, that is smaller. We must take a bath early in the morning. Earlier is the comparative form, but here we have to use positive form, that is early. How we have to wake up or how we have to take bath? Early. Cotton is dash than wool. Students, have you understood? Again, it is comparison within two nouns. So we have to use comparative form of word, describing word soft, that is softer. My grandmother is the dash member of our family, and the describing word is active. But here there is no comparison. So the positive degree of this word will come as most active. Yes, grandmother is the most active member of our family. It is the comparison among all the family members. Jackfruit is dash of all fruits. If it is of all fruits, that is superlative degree. So we will use superlative form of this describing word big, that is biggest. One more example, one more exercise is solved here for you. So we will learn one more exercise here and we will read. You have to hear carefully, students. What the exercise is? Complete the following table. Here the table is given positive, comparative and superlative. Two words are given and we have to complete remaining form of the adjective. Thin and thinnest. So comparative form is thinner. Clean and cleanest. These are the form of cleaner. Hottest is given. And is these two form is positive form is hot and comparative is hotter. For the word little, comparative form is less and superlative adjective form is least. Weakest is the given form of adjective. So then positive weak, weaker, weakest. Charming, more charming, most charming. Hard, harder, hardest. Caring, more caring and most caring. Active, more active and most active. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. So children, we have seen in this video many examples of describing word adjectives in its three different degree forms, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. If you have liked the video, like it, share it and subscribe it. Also touch the bell icon for notifications. Keep reading, keep studying and keep playing. Thank you, students.